guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and natural home remedy that you can use to get rid of dandruff on your hair very fast. So if you have dandruff on your hair, those whitish stuff that tend to fall off and mess up your clothes when you comb in your hair, I have the simple remedy right here that I'm going to show you. And if you are new on this channel, you're welcome. If you are not new, thanks for always watching my videos and thanks for subscribing. Kindly do give this video a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button displayed right below this video, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified whenever I share new videos on this channel, because I share new and helpful videos almost every day on this channel and you won't want to miss any of them. Kindly do share this video with friends as well, and please don't forget to visit my blog displayed on the screen, www.etifrank.com, and also do visit my vlog channel, Etifrank Vlogs, so that you'll be updated on my latest lifestyle and some of the helpful tips I give on that channel as well, and you won't want to miss any of them either. So let's quickly get right into the video, and you can check that vlog channel right after this video. So let's get right into the video. Just the simple way to get rid of dandruff on your hair using natural ingredients. So you saw the ingredients I used are very natural and you can easily access it anytime, any day, okay, and any season. You can easily get this ingredients. So if this video was helpful to you, if you learned something new, please do give this video a thumbs up and share this video with friends as well. And please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.